Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to verify your account on Bet365. Before getting started, if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now, let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. Then, on the search bar, type in bet365.com. Once you press enter, you'll be taken to this web page. On this web page, you'll have to log into your account by clicking on this button. Or if you don't have an account, you can click on this join button to register a new account. Now, once you have your account, click on the login button. Then, you'll have to provide your login credentials. Click on this button. Once you do so, it will ask you to verify your identity. So, click on this button where it says verify identity. Then, it will take you to this page. Click on this drop-down arrow. You can verify your identity using your driving license, ID card, passport, or residency permit, or visa. You can choose any option. I'll just click on my ID card. Then, you have to upload your document. Click on this checkbox, then click on Start. Now, they will give you three options: either continue on mobile, take a photo using your webcam, or upload from this device. You can choose any one. I'll just upload from this device. Then, you'll have to choose the file. And once you have submitted both documents, they will try to verify your account. And once you get verified, they will send you an email. So, this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.